Are you making a fatal mistake in your gouache paintings? You might not even realize you're making them, but they could be holding you back from mastering this amazing medium. In this video, I'm exposing the top 3 gouache mistakes so you'll know exactly how to fix them to create vibrant and flawless paintings. Many gouache painters make the mistake of thinking it's just like watercolor. But here's the issue. Too much water can ruin your gouache, making it look muddy or causing the paint to lose its opacity. With gouache, you want that thick, creamy texture. Overwetting your paint makes it thin and lifeless. Another huge mistake many artists make is not letting your layers dry completely before adding the next one. This can lead to muddy colors and a painting that lacks depth. Let your gouache dry in between layers for a crisp, clean look. This will help your painting maintain its vibrancy and structure. Many beginners think that you can only use flat brushes for gouache, but that's simply not true. While flat brushes are great for large areas, detail work requires a different approach. Use a round or liner brush to get those sharp details and refined lines. Flat brushes are not the answer for everything. Your gouache technique will only improve by using the right tools for the job. Alright, here's a little secret that's gonna save your paintings. Unlike watercolor, gouache can be reactivated, so if you mess up, you're not stuck with it. If you catch the mistake while it's still wet, just grab a damp brush or a tissue and leave the paint off. But if it's already dry, don't panic. Just take a clean, damp brush, gently scrub the area, and blot it with a paper towel. And here's a pro tip. If you really need a clean slate, use a tiny bit of water mixed with the magic eraser sponge. It works like a charm for erasing dried gouache. So, have you been making any of these mistakes with your gouache paintings? Drop a comment below, and if this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss a gouache glow up. Keep creating, keep experimenting, and I'll see you in the next one.